Good afternoon, everybody. This is Captain Rob with DockWise, and I want to make sure you guys understand how to find the DockWise tool. You cannot go to the App Store and find DockWise. DockWise is what's called a progressive web app. So what you have to do is go to Google or go to the internet and type in our website. Okay, and then once you get to the website, if you scroll down here just a little bit, you'll see install DockWise like an app. Just click on that and you'll get instructions on how to install DockWise onto your iPhone or your computer or your device or whatever it is. After you do that, then when you look on your phone or your computer, you'll see a shortcut icon just like you would for any app. And after that's done, DockWise works just like an app. You'll never have to go and do an internet search again. You just click on the app like you would any other app, and that'll get you right to DockWise. So pretty easy to use. It's a fantastic app. These instructions will help you install it onto your device, your phone, or your computer. And after that, it should be really, really easy. So Captain Rob with DockWise, out.